Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to continue with the admission of a partner chapter and we are going to learn the same topic that we have started in the last video and the topic name is new profit sharing ratio. So in the last video, we did solve the one question based upon our new profit sharing ratio. Now in this video, we are going to take two more pattern based questions which are very important from your exam point of view, right? So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the very first question that we are going to solve, you can see on your screen. So the question states A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2 ratio. They admitted D as a new partner for 4/7 share of profit. D acquired his share from 2/7 from A, 1/7 from B and 1/7 from C. Calculate a new profit sharing ratio. Right? So the very first step that we usually do is to write what is given. Perfect. We know that old ratio between A, B and C was 3:2. Perfect. And the new partner is D, which is admitted for 4/7 share. Now this share he takes from the previous three partners A, B and C. So 2/7 from A, 1/7 from B and 1/7 from C. Perfect. So basically A, B, C were the three previous partners. नया पार्टनर हमारा D है जो 4/7 शेयर के लिए आ रहा है और वो अपना 4/7 कैसे ले रहा है? 2/7 A से, 1/7 B से and 1/7 C से. Right? So what you are simply going to do, you are simply going to write new share. Alright, new share of A, B, C and the last one is the D. So A का कितना है? 3/8. Perfect. B का 3/8 and C का 2/8. D का we already know 4/7. तो ये जो हमारा 2/7, 1/7 and 1/7 जो D तीनों पार्टनर से ले रहा है, आप बेसिकली उन सबको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे उनके पुराने शेयर में से. सिंपल. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. Subtract it. Okay. Now just simply solve the equation. So after solving the equation, what we are getting? This we are getting, right? Now your new profit sharing ratio is this. You can write like this. NPSR is 5:13:6:32. 5:13:6:32. This is your new profit sharing ratio. So this is the second pattern question that you will get in your board's examination based upon your new profit sharing ratio. राइट तो आपका सिंपली तीन पुराने पार्टनर्स थे, एक नया पार्टनर आया जो अपना शेयर पुराने तीनों पार्टनर से ले रहा है. दैट मींस ये पुराने पार्टनर सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं. सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या कर देंगे, उनके पुराने शेयर्स में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. राइट. सो दिस इज योर न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. Now, if this is clear to you, I'm going to take one more question, which is the another pattern of new profit sharing ratio. So, without wasting any time, let's take the another question. So, we are going to take the another question, and the question you can see on your screen. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 7:3. C is admitted as a new partner. A sacrificed 2/7 of his share in profits in favor of C and B. 1/7 of his share in favor of C. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio between the A, B and C. Right? So as usual, we are going to write what is given in the question. ओल्ड रेशियो हमारे पुराने तीन पार्टनर्स हैं. क्या क्या नाम है पुराने तीन पार्टनर्स का? A, B. परफेक्ट. नया पार्टनर आया हमारा C. तो A, B की पुरानी रेशियो क्या थी? 7:3. और नए पार्टनर का हमारा शेयर कितना होगा? This is what we have to calculate, right? So in the question they have told you A, B कि ये जो नया पार्टनर C आया ये अपना शेयर A A से कितना ले रहा है और B से कितना ले रहा है। ओके, तो ये जो A है वो अपने शेयर का 2/7 शेयर सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है। कितना? 2/7 ऑफ A का शेयर। ओके, 2/7 ऑफ A का शेयर। सो A का शेयर कितना है? दिस। ओके, B कितना सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है? 1/7 ऑफ B का शेयर। राइट, so this is what you have to do in order to calculate the C का शेयर। तो ये आपका तीसरा पैटर्न क्वेश्चन है जिसमें आपको सिंपली दे दिया है कि A इतना सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है और B इतना सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है। तो पहले तो आप निकालो कि वो दोनों कितना सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं। तो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस यू विल गेट, ओके, you will get 2/10 and 3/70. Right? Now what you are going to do, if you will add these two, you will get the share of C. तो इनको जोड़ने के बाद आपको जो शेयर मिलेगा, you will get the share of C. Right? So add it, you are getting 70, 14 plus 3, so you are getting 17/70. So this is the share of C, 17/70. Okay? Now just simply what you are going to do, you have to do it like we did in the previous question. You just have to write the new share. New share of whom? तुम्हारे A का, B का और C का। A का कितना था? 7/10. कितना सेक्रीफाइस करा उसने? 2/10. B का कितना था? 3/10. कितना सेक्रीफाइस करा? 3/70. परफेक्ट। और हमें पता चल गया हमारा C का शेयर कितना है? 17/70. Right? When you will make and solve the equation, you will get the ratio between A, B and C, which will give you the new profit sharing ratio. Perfect. So after solving the equation, you will get 5/10. Okay, 5/10 for A, 18/70 for B, and C we know 17/70. So after solving the equation, you are getting 35:18:17. This is your new profit sharing ratio. So these are the two pattern questions that we wanted to learn in this video. The first pattern is off. That means your from pattern, and the second pattern is off. Alright. So I hope both the concepts are clear to you. I'm going to put the few questions in the description as your practice question. Go and practice those questions. Now in the next video, we are going to take the another concept, right? So this is it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.